Imagine a world without the shadow of motor neuron disease, MND, looming over families and individuals. That's the bold vision fueling the excitement as we approach the 36th International Symposium on ALS/MND. But here's where it gets intriguing. This isn't just another conference, it's a powerhouse gathering where science, hope, and global teamwork collide to tackle one of the most relentless neurological foes. As Dr. Brian Dickey, the MND Association's chief scientist, I'm thrilled to share what's unfolding and why it matters to everyone touched by MND. In just a few days, from December 5th to 7th, the biggest research event focused on motor neuron disease will kick off in sunny San Diego, USA. Officially known as the 36th International Symposium on ALS/MND, it's organized by the MND Association in partnership with our hosts, the ALS Association. ALS, or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, is the most widespread type of MND, a progressive condition that attacks the nerves controlling muscles, leading to weakness, paralysis, and sadly, often a shortened lifespan. That's why many nations refer to it as ALS instead of MND, but at its core, it's the same battle we're fighting. Working hand in hand with the ALS Association, we'll welcome attendees from every continent, making this a vital hub for building international partnerships. These connections are crucial for developing groundbreaking treatments and, one day, eradicating this heartbreaking illness altogether. And this is the part most people miss. Without these global collaborations, progress slows to a crawl, leaving patients waiting for breakthroughs that could change everything. The symposium has evolved dramatically from its humble origins in 1982. Back then, about 40 researchers met in Solihull, England, to exchange ideas over simple lunches at a nearby shop. Fast forward to today, and last year's hybrid event in Montreal, Canada, drew 1,500 participants both in person and online from more than 50 countries, a testament to its growing importance. This year promises even broader representation, ensuring voices from every global corner contribute to the conversation. The program's scale and variety mirror the rapid advancements in MND research, covering a wide array of topics to keep things engaging and comprehensive. Sessions will delve into groundbreaking areas like advanced genetics, think unraveling the DNA puzzles behind the disease, and innovative stem cell studies that could regenerate damaged nerves. We'll also explore improvements in patient care, such as better symptom management, and the latest assistive technologies, like devices that help maintain independence despite physical challenges. Don't overlook the poster sessions. These interactive displays ignite deep conversations and often lead to unexpected partnerships, much like a lively networking mixer for scientists. Behind the scenes, the program committee has poured countless hours into creating a rich, inclusive agenda that showcases the full spectrum of global MND research. From frontier science pushing the boundaries of what's possible to practical strategies for everyday care, it's all designed to inspire and educate. One talk I'm especially eager to catch is titled, Advances in SMA Treatment, Lessons for ALS, delivered by Professor Charlotte Sumner from Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore. Professor Sumner specializes in spinal muscular atrophy, SMA, a related motor neuron disorder that primarily affects infants and young children, though it can appear in adults too. In recent years, SMA treatment has seen miraculous leaps forward, demonstrating that it's possible to preserve and protect sick motor neurons. This proof of principle is exciting because it suggests earlier intervention could be even more effective. And here's where it gets controversial. Professor Sumner will propose exploring treatments for SMA even before birth, administering therapy while the embryo is still in the womb. Imagine intervening so early in development, it could prevent the disease from taking hold. While this raises ethical debates about prenatal treatments and potential risks, it offers profound lessons for adult-onset MND. Could this approach revolutionize how we think about curing neurological diseases? It's a fascinating frontier with huge implications, potentially paving the way for safer, more proactive therapies. We're also debuting a dedicated session on primary lateral sclerosis, PLS, a rarer form of MND that affects just 1 to 2% of new diagnoses. Because PLS is less common, it hasn't received as much research attention, leaving many patients feeling overlooked and without access to clinical trials. This session aims to unite the PLS community, fostering discussions on improved diagnosis methods, identifying biomarkers, those telltale signs in the body that signal the disease, and uncovering possible genetic connections. By making PLS a regular fixture in future symposia, we hope to spark innovative research and ultimately open doors to trials that could benefit everyone with this condition. But not everyone can make the trip to San Diego, and that's okay. Registration for online participation is still available, allowing you to watch live streams of presentations, explore the virtual poster hall, and access content on demand later. Head over to our symposium website, https://symposium.mndassociation.org/register, for details and to sign up. For quick, digestible updates, we're launching Symposium Live, https://www.mndassociation.org/symposium-live, for the first time, a real-time feed delivering highlights, insights, and key moments straight to your screen. Whether you're a seasoned researcher, a healthcare worker, or someone personally affected by MND, you'll get the pulse of the event as it happens. Each year, the Symposium reignites my passion for this mission. It's more than just sharing data or delivering talks, it's about nurturing optimism. From pinpointing new drug targets to exciting clinical trials and cutting-edge tech like brain-computer interfaces that enhance daily living, innovation is speeding up. Sure, obstacles persist, funding gaps, ethical hurdles in testing, and the sheer complexity of the nervous system chief among them, but the community's resolve remains ironclad. What strikes me is that the most impactful exchanges often happen outside the formal lectures, during coffee breaks, casual lunches, or while browsing posters. We survey attendees afterward, asking if they've forged new contacts or partnerships to pursue. Last year, over 90% reported yes. These human connections, the ideas sparked, and the knowledge exchanged propel us toward our shared dream, a future free from MND's grip. As December 5th approaches, I urge you to get involved, whether by attending in person, tuning in online, or following via our live feed. United, we're breaking barriers, fueling discoveries, and crafting a tomorrow where MND doesn't define anyone's life story. Dr. Brian Dickey, Chief Scientist. What do you think? Is pushing for prenatal treatments in diseases like SMA a game changer or a step too far ethically? And how do you feel about prioritizing research for rarer conditions like ALS? Share your views or counterpoints in the comments, I'd love to hear from you.